Hi! In this video we are going to solve this exercise in which we have to ask for a number to the user and displaying how many times this number appears in a tuple. So first of all, let's define a tuple of numbers. For example, repeating some of them in order to test how it works. And then let's ask the user for a number. We have used the input statement, and as you may know, we have to convert this input into an integer value. So we need to count how many times this number appears in a tuple. Let's see the functions and the methods in order to figure out which one we need to use. In this case, if we see the documentation, we can observe that here there's a method called count that returns the number of times that an item appears in a tuple. Here, always you have some documentation in order to see how it works, this function. If you click here you can observe how to use the method. For example, you need to put the number of the tuple and then dot count and the item between parentheses. So let's do that. Let's see times in order to figure out how many times appears this number. The first is to put the tuple as we saw here. Well, in this case it says list, but it's the same. The documentation is for tuples. Let's put the name of the tuple, numbers, dot, count, and the number that we want to use. In this case, the number asked for the user. And then we can print the result. Let's see how it works for number 3. It should return 1, 2, 3, and 4 times. Let's try it again with another number. Let's say 5. It should return 1 time. And let's try with another number. Let's say 2. It should return 0 times. So, in this way, we can use the documentation of tuples to solve exercises. Thanks for watching.